let's have a look here at this Homestead WIND ceiling fan. This is not a WIND 2, this is just the WIND 1. As you can see, it's in polished brass with these, I want to say, oak color blades. I got 2 of these off of Facebook Marketplace. It was about 6 hours round trip for them, which is kind of crazy, but at the end of the day, it was worth it. Let me show the tag. $19.86. And then the other one is over here. Alright, hope you could see that because I couldn't really see the screen when I had it over there. When these were installed, they were on wall controls, so whoever installed them cut the string down to literally nothing, which kind of sucks. And I was being lazy and didn't tie anything else to it yet. But we'll start off with low. And both of these fans surprisingly have good bearings. Back when I got my Homestead Metro a while ago, which is now in the museum, the bearings were shot. They were shot when I first got it, that is. We'll bring it up to medium. It is really hard to grip that string. I gotta have a death grip on that string so it doesn't go flying back in there, because it's kind of hard to pull. It shakes ever so slightly, but for the most part, it's very still. I absolutely love these things. I don't like how much Homestead's pull chain switches arc. And of course, reverse and everything works. And Homesteads don't like my solid state control, so of course it's making a hell of a buzzing noise. And there's off. You know what? I'm gonna show reverse. I don't feel like standing here for this pin down, honestly. Wait a minute. There it goes. I guess it has a, maybe it needs contact cleaner. So there it is, the Homestead WIND. now I'll be showing the second one.